My name is Aanyu Sylivia from Bukedea District, Koliru Sub-County, Kanyipa Parish. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was helping my parents to farm at home. We have been growing cassava, maize, groundnuts, and maize. I choose to come here because I want to acquire knowledge from Gudie Leisure Farm. I got to know Gudie Leisure Farm by our parish chief. I'm in the aquaculture department. What I've learned in aquaculture, I've learned many things in aquaculture. I've learned in knitting, how to construct a pond, how they feed the fingerlings in the pond and those in the tanks, and I've learned the importance of aquaculture. We get the eggs from the fertilized catfish. After getting the eggs, we take to the hatchery. From the hatchery, we start now getting them. After they've got them from the catfish, they now take them to be fertilized. They leave them for 3 days. After 3 days, they go and check whether they are fertilized. Then from there, we go and get them and we go and take to the pond. After taking to the pond, we leave them for some 4 days. Then they will start now growing from the pond. Apart from aquaculture, I've learned how to make beads, which they use for decoration. I've learned to make flowers. My commitment is to become a leading provider in high quality in fish farming. And my commitment again is to go and train the 100 youth in the village so that they acquire knowledge in aquaculture so that they can manage to earn a living.